U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin has praised the Indian Navy for its important role in conducting anti-piracy operations in the Indian Ocean region. DRDO is looking for an Indian industry production partner for transfer of technology of laser beam riding guidance system. The Indian Air Force has activated an emergency landing facility airstrip on the National Highway 16 in Andhra Pradesh. Indian firm Aethrone Aerospace has developed a drone with self-destruct technology that can be used for intelligence along Pakistan and China borders. The Indian Air Force is procuring a vertical wind tunnel for Garud commandos for mastering body control and maneuvers crucial for high-altitude parachute operations. A high-level Brazilian army delegation have arrived on a visit to India, and they were briefed on Indigenous Howitzers drones and counter-UAV systems. Guyana Defence Force has signed a deal to purchase 2 aircraft from Hindustan Aeronautics with a loan of $23.27 million from the Export-Import Bank of India. The Garuda 4x4 105mm mounted gun system of Bharat Forge was airdropped by Indian Air Force's C-17 aircraft. UAE-based company Mira Aerospace and Indian startup VEDA Aeronautics have signed a long-term strategic agreement for the HAPS market in India. Iranian Navy warships have arrived in Mumbai, and a number of professional and social engagements were held between the two sides. Azerbaijan has started psychological warfare, as Azerbaijani media has claimed that former Armenian defense minister has alleged that Indian-origin weapons have exhibited performance issues for the past year. It is to be noted that the former Armenian defense minister mentioned in the report was in power for a brief period of only 3 months in 2021, when neither the Pinaka attacks or Mag howitzer was ordered by Armenia. The Azerbaijani media report is directly motivated by propaganda, as Armenian military has recently placed follow-on orders for both Pinaka extended range variant and 84 more ATAGs. An old article from a renowned aerospace magazine From Flight International has resurfaced online, which shows discussions between China and India regarding collaboration on the Tejas light combat aircraft program. The article reveals that in late July 2004, a high-level Chinese delegation visited India to explore joint development of the Tejas aircraft, as India was desperately seeking partners for the Tejas program, and China wanted to replace its J-7 and J-6 aircraft. The Indian Army and DRDO have started discussions regarding the development of a 105mm cannon variant of the 8x8 WhAP platform that will complement Indian main battle tanks on the battlefield, as few other countries have also expressed interest in 8x8 light combat tank variant. Both Tata and Mahindra have expressed interest in participating in the WhAP light combat tank development, and it will use the 105mm cannon used in the Jora War light tank program. Solar Industries has announced successful flight test of its indigenously developed 125 kg bomb from Su-30 fighter jets, and the company is now preparing for trials from Mirage 2000. It shares similarities with the widely used Mark 81 bomb, and will seamlessly integrate with existing Indian Air Force aircraft. DRDO's gas turbine research establishment has started receiving newly built modules from Garuda Aerospace that will be used to produce the first newly built dry Kaveri engine, which will be used to achieve initial flight release certification later this year, for powering the indigenous unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The dry Kaveri engine will also be equipped with a new afterburner to achieve a thrust output of 82 kN that will also ensure optimal performance even in hot and humid climates like Rajasthan, unlike the American F-404 engine, which experiences a notable thrust reduction of nearly 10% in hot and humid climates. Today's top 3 comments.
Tejas.